Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you all the auto cooking programs in ELECTROLUX Microwave 300. So to enable the auto cook, close your doors and use the knob to select the type of the food. Sorry once again. Okay, we have to turn it to the left side, sorry about that. Okay, and now, the first program for auto cooking is a milk or coffee. The next one is a rice. Number 3 is a spaghetti. Number 4 is potato. Number 5 is a auto reheat function. Number 6 is a fish. The 7 is a pizza. And the 8 is a popcorn. If you want to adjust the wave of your food, click on this icon. Now you can adjust the food wave. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.